My nose is leaking, my throat hurts, I cough like crazy. I have all the signs of being sick. I'm just not sick enough to stay home. And today we start our day with a colder temperature. Yes, I am wearing gloves and earmuffs. As you have seen, I'm wearing this for the past couple of days. And I bought these last summer, when I was in Scotland, Edinburgh, with my cousin and my brother and my cousin's husband. She and I were watching them both at different times. We went into a store, I saw them first, then I was like, nah, they're a little bit too expensive. They did have an option two for less, and then on the way out she was watching them, and we both came out of that store and she was like, I saw something but it's a bit too much. I mean, they do have 2 for less, but... And I was like, earmuffs? And she was like, yeah. And I was like, I was watching them too. And she was like, okay, let's go back in and buy them. So she took a gray color, grayish, and I took these white ones. And they're the best. And people were watching us like we are crazy, because we put them on in the middle of the Edinburgh when that festival is happening. And it was the best. I know there is a ton of clips and pictures from my trip to London and Scotland, and I will sort them one day, I promise. And maybe I'm gonna post those next year. It's gonna be like little treats. From time to time you will get this. Maybe a weekly vlog of all the things that happened, of all the madness. But those are gonna be like special treats, like bonus videos of the week. Yeah, because vlogging and editing every day, it's so tiring, guys. Especially this night. I was in bed at 8:30, as you know, and I did start editing the video, but I don't remember finishing it up, exporting it, and start uploading it. I do remember waking up at 1 o'clock in the morning because I needed to go to the toilet, but that's all I remember. And my mom said I was sleeping at 9 o'clock. And trust me, the video wasn't edited and exported then. I had to do that around 1 o'clock in the morning, apparently. Yes! Thumbs up for not knowing what you're doing during the night. And off from work I go, but I'm not going home because I'm meeting with a friend for a cup of coffee, and I have to go there. The light's still not up, but I have a feeling it's gonna be in the next, I don't know, 2-3 kilometers. Tomorrow I'm not starting my work day at 5:30 in the morning, so you won't get middle of the night clip, but I am starting my work at 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna be working straight from 9 to 4:30, and yeah, I'm gonna be the name and the face that goes together. So yeah, I've took a picture of all the names of the kids, so I can go through all the names and try to imagine the kid, and I'll see how well it will go. Why am I working like that? Because both of the workers that are in that group are absent tomorrow. One is already absent the whole week because she's sick, and the other one has a doctor's appointment. Yeah, I'm gonna be working there for the whole day. In about half an hour I'm meeting with a friend for coffee, so it's gonna be, I'm gonna get there, I'm gonna go to the store to buy something, and I think that at that time she's gonna come as well. Yeah, that's on my to-do list. And pump the gas, of course. What else? So yeah, let's do this. Let's try to stick with the plan today, as scheduled, right? Because yesterday my mom destroyed my plan when she was in the bathroom when I got home. Going back to working, guys. The snow is melting away. They're just here and there, a little bit of it. Otherwise it's almost gone. No. The feeling of the winter is leaving us. So yeah, I meet up with a friend of mine, grab the coffee, pump the gas in this beast. Again, it was 50 plus euros. Damn. But nevertheless, I'm good for another week, or maybe a couple of days more. Who knows? And yeah, I mean, tomorrow I'm gonna save it like a lot of gas, because I'm gonna drive only once to work and once back from work. But my mom's birthday is tomorrow and we still didn't buy her present. Yeah. You know how you are in our capital city and you give the idea of what to buy for birthday present, and they were like, oh, you're too far away, don't think like that. Well, closer we got to tomorrow, the more nervous people were, because what should we buy? And I was like, look, I was there, we could at least search for it there, 'cause my mom wants a perfume and I had an idea of buying her a bit more fancy perfume, like something like Chanel No. 5 or something. And yeah, we still don't have a gift for my mom, and we need it by tomorrow. Yeah, good for us, very good for us. Anyway, off to work I go, and I have a feeling that today is gonna be a quick day, because I don't know, I mean, this time when I was home passed by very quickly. I mean, I did went to grab a coffee with a friend of mine, but still, before I got home, I checked my Facebook, and before you know it, it was 11. It was time for me to get ready back again. I know. I'm complaining again. Thankfully, I don't have a headache. Yay! And it's time for me to go home. And tomorrow I start at 9 o'clock in the morning. And there's a chance I may not be working alone tomorrow in that group. there's a chance I'm gonna have help till lunch. After lunch, I'm all by myself in that group. So yeah. On my way home, I might go to the aerobics class today, but if I won't be feeling, I don't know how great, I won't work out 100%, but only 50% of my strength. So yeah, I've decided I'm going to the aerobics class today. I don't know why I've decided that, but I can't stay home. Even my mom said that she doesn't want those pralines that I made, so I'm not gonna make them. No, I'm gonna make them for Christmas gift. Last year I made cookies for Christmas gift. This year I'm gonna make chocolatey thingies. Good chocolatey thingies. All different sizes and shapes. And yeah. I'm tired, guys. It was busy day. It was going so effing fast. But it was busy and I'm tired, like a lot. And thankfully the aerobics class starts in about 2 hours and a half from now, so I'm gonna have time to properly relax and get my shit together. And you're doing great? You having fun? So how's your day going? Is it routine like mine, or is it every day a new adventure? Guys, I decided to skip aerobics class today because from the moment I get home, all I'm doing is coughing like crazy. Oh, come on. I can't stop. I've tried everything. I've tried drinking water and I don't know what else. I just can't stop. So no aerobics class today as well. But early bed. You know what, guys? My body has enough of everything. It's telling me to go to sleep, and I'm gonna listen to my body. So, as should you. Just before I close my eyes. It's today's Q&A. Today's question is, what details from today would you like to remember? Actually, not a lot. Because the whole day was cloud. It's complete cloud right now in my head. But I would like to remember one thing that happened after I gathered all the kids from the groups on my end. There was one kid that was crying. He doesn't know me, and you know, when kids meet someone new, they are suspicious and they're crying and everything. And I had some coloring pages with me, and none of them were what he wanted. And I asked him that if I get him a tractor coloring page tomorrow, if he's gonna stop crying, and he said yes. And when I saw that he had Lightning McQueen on a t-shirt, and I asked, do you like Lightning McQueen? And he was like, yeah. And I was like, well, I have those coloring pages as well. Do you want those or tractor? And he said, both. So tomorrow he's getting both. because he stopped crying. That's what I want to remember from today. What's something you want to remember from today? Write in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video for something I said in the morning. Good night.